Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to set up VPN Fusion on your Asus router. I'm Eloy from Knowledge Sharing Tech. If you find the content of my channel interesting, please take a moment to subscribe. It only takes a second, it is free, and it will help my channel greatly. So I'll be explaining very quickly what is VPN Fusion, and then I'm gonna show you how to create multiple VPN profiles and how to assign devices on your network to these VPN profiles. And also I'm gonna be showing you how to split the traffic between devices on your network going to the internet through the VPN profiles and devices on your network going to the internet directly without VPN. So let me now explain VPN Fusion in less than 30 seconds. If you wanna summarize VPN Fusion in 2 words, it is split traffic. It means that you can create one or more VPN connections on your Asus router and assign devices on your network to access the internet through these VPN connections. So here, for instance, you have these devices on your network. You see the laptop here, it is assigned to go to the internet through VPN tunnel 1, and the smartphone is assigned to access the internet directly without going through any VPN connection. And you can mix and match these assignments as you want. Now that you know what is VPN Fusion, I'm gonna show you how to set it up on your Asus router. In my example, I'll be using an Asus router RT-AX3000, but the information I'm gonna show you will apply to all Asus routers that support VPN Fusion. As for the VPN supplier, I'm using NordVPN. You might have another VPN supplier, but the same high-level steps will apply to your VPN supplier. So let me show you all this. You need to get 2 informations from your VPN supplier: the server configuration file and the account that you're gonna use to log in to this server. For NordVPN, to get the server information, go to this website, nordvpn.com/servers/tools, and it will recommend to you by default a server in the country that you reside in. If you want a server in another country, click on the drop-down list here that says select country and start typing the country you want. For me, I want United States. So this is United States. Select it here in the list and it will propose to you a recommended server. Here you have show available protocols. Click on it and download always UDP protocol. So NordVPN uses OpenVPN. I'm gonna click on download config and let's save it. So now we have the server configuration. We still need the user and the password. Also in NordVPN, you need to log into your account to get the user and the password. So do the same on your VPN provider website. So this is my username. I'm gonna copy it. I'm gonna copy the password also. So now we have all the information we need to go and configure our Asus router. So let's log into the Asus router admin page. Here I already logged into my Asus router admin page. And on the left, scroll until you find VPN. Click on VPN and then click on VPN Fusion. And here you see you have add profile and you have internet connection. Do not touch the internet connection. We don't need to touch it here. So for add profile, click on the plus next to it to add the profile for the connection to the United States VPN server. So click on the plus and here name the connection whatever you want. I'm gonna name it USA. And for the VPN type, it is in NordVPN OpenVPN. So see with your VPN provider what is the VPN type that they use. So here it is OpenVPN. So I'm gonna select OpenVPN in the drop-down list. And here you need to import the OpenVPN file that we downloaded from NordVPN servers tools website. So click here and go to the folder where you downloaded the configuration file, select it, and then click on open. And it is imported. And here you need to put the username and the password that you also will get from your VPN provider. So I'm gonna pass them here. After you put the username and password, scroll and you see here you have something called device. So here you can start assigning devices that will use this VPN connection. You can do it later, but here I'm gonna assign a device. So I'm gonna click on the edit here, and then I'm gonna choose one of my devices. So I have a TV box here. I'm gonna assign it, scroll, and then click on OK. And then here, click apply and enable. You see here it is applying. After it applies the settings, it will return to the VPN Fusion page, and you notice that the USA OpenVPN is connected and enabled. So let's go to the right here, and you notice that we have our TV box that we put in the configuration also enabled, but also apply to all devices is enabled, and we don't want this. So if this toggle here it is on, it means that all the devices on your network will go through this VPN profile now. In my opinion, it was better for Asus to put apply to all devices to off, and only you enable it if you want to enable it. So for us to be able to remove this, you need to disable the VPN profile first. So let me disable it. And then let's disable this. And let's click on Apply Settings. And now the settings are applied. And let's enable once again the VPN that we just created. So now it is connected and all devices is turned off. So now only our TV box will go through this VPN profile from USA. And the rest of the devices on our network will go to the internet connection without using the VPN. Now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna create another VPN profile for France, and I'm gonna assign one of my PCs to this VPN profile. I'm not gonna repeat the steps for creating the profile because I already done this for USA. So I'm gonna create the profile and come back here when the profile is created. So I created the France VPN here, as you see. I'm gonna disable it so to be able to add the computer to it. So now it is disabled. I'm gonna scroll down, click on edit, and here I'm gonna choose the computer. It is KS Tech Home, and then click on OK and apply all settings. And this way we have our PC that is going through France. Of course, I'm gonna enable it now. And the beauty of this is that you can enable all the profiles that you create at the same time. So the router is now simultaneously connected to USA, to France, and to the ISP. And you have your TV box going through USA, and then you have your PC connected to France because it is enabled here, and your other devices connected to the internet directly. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to put them in the comments section below, and I'll be happy to answer all your questions and all your comments. I hope that my video was useful to you. In case it was, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give my video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, and this will help me keep bringing you quality videos like this one. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Knowledge Sharing Tech. See you in the next video.